Good Friday afternoon. Theme of the week this week comes from Alfred Adler. When little Alfred was a boy, he was sick and bedridden most of the time. His doctor would do house calls back in the day and would talk to his mom out in the hallway and say, "It doesn't look good for Alfred. He's very frail and weak and he needs to stay in bed." And this made an impact on him from an early age. It was one of the things that led to him developing his theory about the inferiority complex, and this means that basically we all feel sick or pain or grief at different times in our life, and when we have these feelings, any feeling of inferiority, people can often strive to overcome that because no one wants to feel inferior, but in doing so people typically overcompensate. And this is a way of explaining the motivation for why people do certain things. They want to feel superior as a way of dealing with their feelings of inferiority. So, how does that relate to mental health? Well, a lot of the things that make us feel inferior, we're actually telling ourselves. We're thinking in our own head. And many times they're not even true. Most people aren't really aware of the negative self-talk that they engage in. Maybe it's subconscious, maybe they're just doing it and not thinking it's harmful. But if you think about how the thoughts that you think make you feel and how you feel affects what you do, this is what we call the F.A.T triangle: feelings, actions, and thoughts. The one thing that you can control in there is your thoughts. So if you're thinking a lot of negative things about yourself or about your potential, the future, you're worrying a lot, afraid, it's going to make you feel anxious, stressed out, and not able to perform as well as if you were thinking positive thoughts, encouraging things, and trying to be optimistic. So let's be hopeful for a good weekend, everyone. If you like this video, smash the like button. See you next week.